when is your website going to be up online? Because I also have a huge plethora of capability as far as PR is concerned.
In a little bit of an adjustment period as we're moving general management of the company. I know your skills. I'm really pleased that you know the Blue On Group. I haven't even begun to even understand or know anything about your technology, but from what I understand, you are mostly enjoying marketing and that sort of thing, right?
Yes, a lot of strategic networking. My path here on this earth has placed me in the types of positions that deal with bridging gaps and communication. So in regard to that, I have a lot of people that I work with who have technologies that could fit into this model that you're presenting here, that you guys are moving forward with and building. Mm-hmm. And things that are already in existence right now, and things that need to be further researched and developed, and etc. But also on the other side of it is that I have definitely some strategic relationships with one of my partners who I work with is a youth ambassador for some of the largest environmental organizations in the world, including Greenpeace, and she's the global youth ambassador. And so, and she's, she's very well respected, travels around and goes and speaks at, Harvard and all these places for youth leadership and this and that. And so we're building a platform right now, too, called the Action Hero Network. And there's a couple other organizations involved in there, too. So basically, we're going to have a platform to potentially, like I said, I'm going to go and do what I need to do to read these things, but to promote this concept, this format, this platform, and possibly integrate it into the platform that we'd be using, because we're also looking at creating a point-based economic system through the whole activist network right now. And being that she's a leading activist, we have a lot of activists who respect what she's doing and are looking to join this type of platform.
We actually have the working model of the point system. There's some philosophical issues with it, but the technical side, our programmers are really top-notch.
You guys have some great programmers and web programmers, web developers?
Oh, absolutely. We need more influence as well, because the way the company is going to expand and grow is by everybody signing off on the principles, because it's a very expandable base. From a cosmic side, because I know you're as cosmic as anybody if you're messing around with rodent technology. I think that stuff just kind of wakes you up. But everybody's getting the same messages. There's a lot more telepathic communication going on, and feeling a change in the social structure. But there's monsters loose right now. The way you fix something where you're dealing with that kind of negative energy is stop feeding it. The thing that feeds the monster is the money system. So we have to take the money system away from them. And that's all there is to it. What we're doing is we have the ability to move into technological prosperity and technological unemployment. But in order to do this, we have to get those deeply rooted fear mentalities out of our system. Everybody's so worried about how much they're going to get. We're all going to get nothing if we let them go on. And part of it is, that we're moving into these collectives and communities and cooperatives on a technological level first, and then we move into them on the physical levels of getting things in gear.
I love what you guys are doing. I love how you're mapping it out onto the social level. And I tell you that, as far as the creating media to assist in eradicating or changing, or better yet, converting the monster fear mentality, I'm your guide for that. And our network that's what we're building, is to do that through our alliances and obviously through media and through these platforms. So that's what we can certainly contribute that as we build further and develop and learn more about each other.
Right now, we're getting people to move into positions of management in the company.
I'll do some reading on these things, and I'll get back in touch with you actually pretty soon and see what information I can provide to you, and we'll take it from there.